Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slime makeover. So I have these 5 slimes here. So one of them is from Slimeyoda, and the other one is from Slime Obsidian. So these were actually in a review that I posted in August. You can go check that out. And then I have 3 other slimes. So the cloud slime from Slime Obsidian was very tough. And when I tried to play with it, it just ripped. And you'll see in a second that the drizzles are really bad. So we definitely need to fix this slime up. So the slime from Slimeyoda was kind of also tough, and it kind of lost its gloss, so it's kind of matte now. And there's also a lot of bubbles in it, but this one isn't too bad, but I definitely would say that this one needs a really big makeover. So this right here is a really nice pink butter slime. This one's actually held up very well. I think I made it in I would say October. And this one's actually pretty nice. It's stretchy and it does kind of inflate. So now I'm just splitting up the slime so I can work in smaller sections. So basically I had in mind like a bunch of ice cream scoops. So I'm trying to achieve that here by just splitting them up, and then in a second I'm just going to mix some of the parts together to make like a strawberry ice cream and a chocolate ice cream. So right here, I'm just dyeing the Slimeyoda slime with a little bit of blue because this will make it pretty brown. It doesn't really make sense if you think about it, but all like opposite colors do make brown. So here I'm just swirling the slimes to make a really nice scoop. So now I'm just gonna take my ice cream scoop and kind of make the scoops. So do not do this and just take your parents' ice cream scooper. This was kind of broken, so my mom let me use it, and I'm not using it for ice cream. So no one freak out and no one use it. Okay, so now I'm just using the Slimeyoda container, and I'm gonna put the scoops in to kind of make it like an ice cream effect. I will say it didn't really completely look like ice cream, but that's totally fine because, you know, I'm just doing it for myself and for you guys, and I don't think we care that much. But it was really pretty, and I did sprinkle some cornstarch on it. So now you guys can see the final outcome. So this is my second makeover of the day. So I had this really rippable foam slime. I think it's actually like a year old. I think both of these slimes are definitely more than a year old. And then I have this really old slime, maybe like a jelly slime, but it was really melted, so yeah. But that's fine because I'm gonna activate it, and also sticky plus tough equals normal, right? Okay. I thought this was a little satisfying to watch, so. Okay, so all I needed to do with this slime was just activate it a little bit. So this makeover was actually really easy, because all I needed to do was activate this and then mix these two slimes together, and it actually turned out really amazing. You'll see in a minute. I filmed a clip of it like a day later, and all the beads rose to the top, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. How did you like these slimes? Comment down below. Definitely subscribe and follow my Instagram. Link in the description. Also, buy my slimes. They're really cheap and high quality. Okay, bye.